that's recording. Let's see if I make any big mistakes with this. The jaunty angle of the camera won't help. Right, what we have is a low-cost tacho from eBay. Press start. See what happens with this. I've not damped out the so I can shine the light on there. Okay, so that's got 368 0.9 at 0.5. I'm assuming that's 368 RPM. Let's see what this is now. In here. And that's 245. Well, there we go. 246. Don't know if you can see that. Let's speed up to what, 1 on there. Sorry about the vibration, I just can't get it down to very well at the moment. No, I'm not going to be able to do that just yet. Here we go, on that flywheel of that. And that is 606. And on the chuck, when it gets a reading, about 400. That's a nice round number. So 1 on the treadmill, we're getting 400 RPM on that one. Let's go up to 2. Let's take up to 2. 2. Yeah, it's not happy, is it, there with that vibration? Time to do it. Okay, and that is coming out at 1137, and on the chuck it's missed it. It's caught something else there. Let me get it again. It's not getting a straight reading because it's reading off some other bits the chuck does. Okay, I think I've got it now. Right, okay. 7. Well, that's the highest one, but you see how far it went wrong when it was getting multiple readings. 747 on the chuck. So at 2, I'm getting a RPM on the chuck of about 747. There's going to be plenty of torque there. That now gives me a means of setting the speed of the lathe using this low-cost device from eBay. Okay, thank you. That's enough noise. Let's stop. Did it work then? Slow the whole thing down.